Hai guys, assalamualaikum. Ketemu lagi bareng gua Maulana di episode What Is Your Reaction. Okay, hi guys. In this video, I will react again for Zhou Shen performance. As usually, I don't know for the name of this song because all description use Mandarin language, and this video only 2-minute duration. Okay, no problem, and come on, let's see together. Okay, come on, let's see. Wow! Whoa! Wait. Wow, I think I know this song, but I forget for the name of this song. Oh, nice, very soft. Ah, I know. Ooh. Oh yes, I know this song. Oh wow. This is just very nice, guys. Great. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, you know what? I so feel like for this part. Oh wait guys, I will replay for this part because I'm very like nah. Let's see again. Oh my god, I like this song so much. Stop guys. Gue gak bisa nyanyi guys. Tapi gue suka aja pengen ikut-ikutin ya. Tapi karena pas nada tersebut atau part tersebut gue suka banget dari lagu ini. Mantap Zhou Shen. Oke guys, ini dulu aja untuk video kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa untuk like, comment, dan subscribe supaya gue semakin semangat lagi untuk membuat video reaction dari Zhou Shen. Dan jangan lupa juga untuk tetap rekomendasi video Zhou Shen yang mana lagi yang harus gue video reaction. Bye bye, share, assalamualaikum.